In the project manager, with your drawings, you can assign descriptions and sections to your drawing as well. So let's have a look at that in more detail. We're in Demo 08, the project. I'm in the schematic subfolder, and at the moment I've just got demo01.dwg open. I'm only going to work on this drawing because it's already got a description, you'll notice, in the details below, in the details pane in the project manager. Now, how do you edit that information? How do you put descriptions and sections into your AutoCAD electrical drawings? Well, the good thing is there's a database, like I said, linked to the AutoCAD electrical project. And that works with your drawings in such a way that you can add this information. So if I hover over Demo 01 there, right click and go to Properties on the shortcut menu, there's my drawing properties right there. So when I click on Drawing Properties, you'll notice I've got a lot of sections that I can look at. I can change the settings for components in the drawing, for wire numbering, for cross-referencing, for styles, and also the drawing format itself. I'm just going to go back to drawing settings because we're only looking at descriptions and sections right now. So there's the description field. Now I've got 3 here. I can also pick a description from something on the drawing if I want to. So you can see there it says flow and interconnection diagram, input output list. That's what I've got down here in the details. So that's where it gets that information from. Now I've also got sheet values. Obviously this is drawing demo01.dwg. So the sheet value is going to be 1. I'm going to change that slightly and make it 001. Always work in like multiples of 10 or 100. So for a particular section, you might start at drawing 100, and then for the next section, start at drawing 200. Always do that so that you've got a good bit of scope for adding any new drawings later on. Now this is Demo 08, so I'm going to change the actual drawing itself there, and I'm going to change that to 08, and then I'll put in an underscore, 01 like that. So that's the actual drawing sheet value. The sheet number is 001, the drawing itself is 0801. Now you can add your sections. Now there's nothing in there right now because I haven't put any details in there. So you can put a section in there. I might just put an alphanumeric value. The section might just be AB001, for example. So once I've put that information in, when I click on OK, that'll actually change that data. And you'll notice here now, if I look at the details, it's locked. There's the description, and it now has a sheet 001 number in there. Can you see that? So that's how you change your descriptions and your sections. Now you'll notice there's a lot of information there that isn't displayed, such as the section and the subsection. A lot of that is used in your reporting tools. So up here in reporting, when you start doing reports out of your AutoCAD electrical project here using the reports button, what you can do is you can specify a section. Now all the drawings that have that section listed, their information will then be used on that particular section in that particular report. So that's how you work with those sections and subsections. The descriptions and the sheet numbers always appear in the details. And again, you can filter things like sheet number and description when you're creating reports as well.